Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome back. Today is our day 62. Yes, amazing guys, going strong, going healthier, and amazing journey so far. And excited for next part of the journey. And thank you so much, guys, for sailing along with me on this beautiful voyage. And I hope every day we are getting a new station, and you are liking this new ports. Every day we are getting through it, and as we hop on to every new port till we reach a Disney World, you will have amazing life, amazing memories to carry along with your life. And guys, today's topic is as what I have been discussing so far in my previous videos, about that commitment, about that focus, about that law, about the dedication. I was discussing with my daughter today, and I was so much pleased and happy that uh, my daughter was really liking those things. And guys, this is the power of this secrets. And only 2% of the people know this secret. You are among that 2% of the people who are elite, who are esteemed, who are educated, who are knowledgeable, who have that wisdom. So now you have the knowledge, now you have the wisdom, apply onto it. Get this for on your favor, make this as a kind of a not a to-do list, but a kind of what you are creating, what this is your lifestyle is, this is what you are. And keep on doing this, keep on doing this, guys. Success, magic, happiness is bound to come to you, guys. There is nothing which can stop. And the only thing which stops is sometimes our own self, our own beliefs. Get out of those limiting box, get out of those jail, and break those barriers, and just get your motivation, get your energy levels, get your spirits up on the roots, and see how the magic is happening. And the universe, the god, the higher powers are always with us. They are always with us. There is no doubt about that. They are always standing with us, they are always behind us, they are always protecting us, they are always blessing us. So we are so blessed souls, so much blessed beings, that with so many higher powers, with so much good positive energies around us. We just need to focus upon the good things of the life, and let everything come by its own, because that's a law it operates. Or if you focus upon good things are bound to come to you. That's how the law operates. So guys, I've been discussing this for past so many videos, and I'm sure every day, if you look out my past 60 days of videos, now you've got a wealth of videos with you. It's very short videos, not very big videos, so that you can just have on a fly, you can just listen to it and get the nick of it, and just apply onto it. Not only we have seen the some topics, but also we have done some exercises. And I think day before yesterday I spoke that we are on a 1 week challenge. So I think you guys are committed to that challenge, where for 1 week we have committed that we won't focus upon the problems area, we'll just focus upon the happiness, upon the good things, and just stay in that zone. So guys, I'm sure you guys are sticking to your commitment, you guys are sticking to your promises, and you are seeing the difference. It's a second day, but I'm sure by the end of 7 days or 8 days, you will feel how powerful this commitment is, how powerful you have that energies in you. So get that into right direction, and let almighty and higher powers get all the work for us, guys. They are always with us, they always want to give what even we not even thought of, what more than what we desire, what more than what we want. Just open the hands and let everything come to you, guys. So on that note, guys, I think you guys are enjoying this video. As always, it's always a pleasure and an honor to come and talk to you guys. And as always, your feedback, your inputs, your insights is always welcome. And thanks for being my such a beautiful audience and family members, and my co-pilots. And guys, as I'm telling you, you are the joy magnet. So carry that joyness in you, and whosoever you touches or who you touches across become joyful. So carry that power with you. So on that note, thank you so much. Till we meet tomorrow, have a great and a wonderful day. Thank you.